Log into the Microsoft account with admin privileges. On the left side, click on Security. This will open Microsoft Defender. On the Microsoft Defender page, click on Policies and Rules. In Policies and Rules, select the first option, Threat Policies. Within the policies, click on Anti-Spam. Then, click on Anti-Spam Outbound Policy. A menu for the Anti-Spam Outbound Policy will open. Scroll down and click on Edit Protection Settings at the bottom. In the Forwarding Rules menu, click on Automatic System Control. To open a drop-down menu, then select Off. Forwarding is disabled. Save your changes. After saving, no Outlook user will be able to forward emails to any external account, except for the global admin, who can manage forwarding from the admin side. I will explain how to do that in the next video.